So guys, as you can see, remember the last watch we made, and that was like really thick and big, but this time I'm gonna change it up a little bit. We're gonna make it normal human size. It's gonna be fun. I already got the circuit. I'm gonna make sure I drill it and I put it in here, and then we're gonna cut the piece off, and here's the leather band for the strap. Oh, this is gonna take forever. Once I do cut this off completely, I'm going to show it to you. Let's start with the beginning. So to fit this here somehow, and we got acrylic as a face glass. It's going to take forever, and I have to get myself some screws. Whew. Let's see what happens. It's going to be a busy day. Hey guys, as you see, got the plate. Let's begin. This is what happens when you cut titanium. The plug just came off. Let's begin. Well, that's it. Well guys, as you can see, got the pieces done. This is going to sit on here like that, and this is going to be sitting up here, and then a leather belt is going to go through it, and we got the screws. That's it. This is going to be the watch. Whew, this is going to take time. Even the screws are getting heat up. This is going to be fun. Yes. Well guys, final assembly. Well guys, right here, as you can see, the design is done. Now I'm going to start with the, okay, so right here, like this, so this, let's just begin the back peeling. Whew, it felt great. Oh, that looks so good. Look at these guys. This was this, and now look at that. Whew, that is acrylic. That's the power of acrylic. Alright, let me start on the light on. Yeah. Whew, now we're talking. Now the acrylic in. Now I'm just gonna take that, and okay, I'm gonna put this behind it. So as you can see, the screws look anodized too. Okay. well, went through behind the yay. There we go, the main plate of the face, and oh, that's a snug fit. Phew, great. Well guys, as you see, the watch index is inside there now. That looks cool. And let's finish the face plate. Oh, that feels great. Look at this. Oh yeah. Nice. Look at that. Whew. Let's finish this up. Well guys, as you can see, pure leather, complete and total, beautiful face, screws are in leveled, complete and total, and classic normal size. Well guys, thanks for watching. Yes!